Ah, here comes some biggies. Look at those. There they come. I'm just sitting on my bed. Oh my god. These are big. Kaboom underneath. It's just the kitchen, not here. There are splashes in the cracks though. Kaboom and shakes. It didn't even hit. That one just rolled under me probably. Oh man. I float. Holy shit. I'm gonna take this tree out with me soon. Look, I'm floating around. Look at this. Here's another biggie peeking right under me. Boom. I suppose the tide's still climbing. And the waves are getting bigger. It's not raining now. Whoa. Jesus, look at all that. Okay. Off for now, man. Catch you on the other side of the ocean, maybe.